And I wrote a few articles talking about, InsurTech as being an elephant, and then it just built into the insurance elephant from there. And there you go. It's kind of a fun reference. There's terrible human tragedy, God forbid. But even that's equated as, it's a liability. People are going to sue. It's an untenable situation. You've got the city that perhaps didn't do what they should have done. You've got contractors that perhaps didn't do what they should have done. You got the poor engineers who tried to do what he should do, but we don't pay attention to our doctors or our experts either. So it highlights, though, Gilad, in the condo world, people don't understand how insurance works. Well, it's very common in bylaws because you've got all of this collective of units living in a common area. And if your sink leaks and damages the common property, the common property is going to say, I want to hold you liable and your insurance policy pay. And what if there's 12 units involved and leaks from 2 places? Long ago, it was generally decided that in that type of a setting, waivers of subrogation would apply, and it became part of bylaws so that there's not the casting of stones at each other. The complexity that people see in insurance discourages them from knowing about it. And we kind of hide from insurance as humans because it's something we know we have to have because someone says so. But it's so thick, I don't really want to dig in and know about it. But once something bad happens, my expectations may be greater than what the insurance product provides me. As intellectual capital vacates from insurance carriers, retirement, whatever, there is a gap in technical awareness of how to manage not manage claims, but manage damages, what's happening. And that's where persons like myself or companies like H2M step in to help insurance customers get best served through the adjusters in understanding the technical aspects of what happened at their property. So it's a cool business, and it's not a small. It's forensic engineers are everywhere, and it's an important part of what happens in the insurance world. This software I was speaking of, Safety Compass, comes out of Australia. It's great technology. It's not complicated. It's just a matter of let's do it. Let's talk about it at Blueprint. As a side issue. There's a lot of great things that aren't complicated to implement. And Blueprint would be a great place to get the ball rolling, as it's saying.
So a small trivia about Patrick Kelahan, the insurance elephant. He used to own a liquor store, but he doesn't drink.
And I was mayor of a village at one time. I was mayor of the neighboring village before I moved to the town I'm in now. So I've been a mayor, owner of a liquor store. I drove an antique fire truck to haul tourists. I've worn many hats, sir. Be aware of the inclusion of team members that go beyond your circle. Diversity is a key to success. And in our business, global diversity is even more important because there's so many great ideas. Let's speak again, and let's work on that Blueprint /ITC involvement.
Yeah, and happy long holiday, happy 4th.
Same to you.
And see you soon.